Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently switched from a bike to a car, changed vehicles, or simply need to update your delivery setup, you may be wondering how to change the vehicle type in the Dasher app. Sometimes people notice delivery options feel limited, while others want to make sure their account matches the vehicle they are actually using for dashing. Since delivery settings can affect orders and availability, keeping your information updated inside the app is definitely important. The good part is that changing the vehicle type in the Dasher app is usually pretty simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through an easy way to update it. Try these. Step 1. Open the Dasher app and sign into the account connected to your delivery profile. Step 2. Visit account or profile settings inside the Dasher app to look for delivery preferences or vehicle details. Step 3. Select the vehicle section in the Dasher app and review the current vehicle type listed on the account. Step 4. Choose the new vehicle option inside the Dasher app if different delivery choices appear for your area. Step 5. Save the updated information in the Dasher app and allow the account to refresh changes normally. Step 6. Check delivery settings through the Dasher app again and confirm the new vehicle type appears correctly.